Ever heard of the world's smallest bear? It's a creature so elusive and mysterious that even many wildlife lovers have never seen one in person. Meet the sun bear, an adorable, little-known animal with a secret life hidden deep in the lush, tangled rainforests of Southeast Asia. These forests are their home, and they're perfectly adapted to this wild green world. If you've never seen one before, get ready to fall in love. With their soulful eyes and gentle expressions, sun bears have a charm that's impossible to resist. So, what makes sun bears so special? First off, their size. They're the smallest of all bear species, but don't let that fool you. Unlike their bigger cousins, the grizzly and the polar bear, sun bears are only about half as tall as a human. Most adults stand just over 2 feet at the shoulder, and they rarely weigh more than 150 pounds. That's about the size of a large dog. But don't let their size fool you. These pint-sized powerhouses are packed with surprises. They're agile, quick, and incredibly strong for their size, able to break open logs and climb trees with ease. Let's talk about that tongue. It's one of their most remarkable features. Sun bears have the longest tongues of any bear species, up to 10 inches. That's longer than most people's hands. Why? Well, their main diet is honey, termites, and ants. They're nature's expert foragers, always on the hunt for something sweet or crunchy. Their tongue works like a straw, slurping up insects from inside trees and logs. It's perfectly designed for reaching into narrow crevices and pulling out tasty treats that other animals can't reach. That's why locals call them the honey bear. They'll tear open beehives and termite mounds just to get a taste of their favorite snacks. But that's just the start of their amazing adaptations. Sun bears are champion climbers. In fact, they spend much of their lives off the ground, high up in the trees. Thick, sickle-shaped claws help them scale the tallest trees in the jungle. These claws are like built-in climbing tools, perfect for gripping bark and pulling themselves up. They spend a lot of time up there, napping in leafy hammocks they build from branches. It's their way of staying safe from predators and enjoying a peaceful rest. Imagine relaxing in your own treetop hangout. Sun bears are true masters of the canopy, and their nests are surprisingly cozy. Talk about living the dream. Up in the trees, they're safe, comfortable, and surrounded by the sounds of the rainforest. Now, if you see a sun bear, you'll notice a golden patch on its chest. This marking is one of their most distinctive features. Each bear's marking is totally unique, almost like a fingerprint. No two sun bears have the same pattern, making each one special. Some folks say it looks like a rising sun, which is where they get their name. Others see a crescent moon, or even a necklace. Pretty cool, right? It's like each sun bear wears its own badge of honor. But life in the rainforest isn't easy. The jungle is full of challenges, and sun bears have to be clever to survive. Sun bears are shy and mostly avoid humans, but they're under threat. Their secretive nature makes them hard to study, but also hard to protect. Habitat loss, illegal hunting, and the pet trade have made them one of the most endangered bears on the planet. Every year their forests shrink a little more. It's a tough world out there for these little guys. Many end up in rescue centers, hoping for a second chance at life in the wild. Still, sun bears are full of surprises. They're survivors, adapting to new challenges every day. They're curious, playful, and fiercely independent. Sun bear cubs love to wrestle and explore, learning important skills from their mothers. Scientists are still uncovering their secrets because sun bears are so good at hiding. Their dark fur and quiet movements help them blend into the shadows. That's why every chance we get to see them in the wild feels like finding hidden treasure. Each sighting is a rare and magical moment. So next time someone asks you about your favorite bear, think about the sun bear. Tiny, tough, and totally adorable. They may be small, but they have giant personalities and play a big role in their ecosystem. If we all learn a little more about these mysterious animals, maybe together we can help them shine a little brighter. Every bit of awareness helps protect their future. Thanks for joining me on this wild adventure. I hope you've discovered something new and inspiring about the secret life of the sun bear.